you got here?
Welcome back. I turned my 110 into something.
Dude, you're not gonna fall anymore?
I'm not gonna fall. We'll see about that.
Can we insert a clip of you falling?
First attempt at a jump.
Yes.
Like falling over as an idiot.
Here we go, Alex's first jump. Dude, this thing is looking killer. Little preview video. Got the disc brake conversion.
Feels good though. Feels nice in the gravel.
Oh yeah. What's up, guys? It's been a couple weeks. We got the CRF110 Big wheel finished up. Let's take a little laps on it around the shop and see how she does. So what did he say?
He immediately said, I'm gonna try and take it easy on it, and then immediately try and did a wheelie on it.
Yeah.
He's just like...
Yeah, he gets excited. Let's see how Drew's liking it. Pretty sick, right?
I like it. The handle's good. The handle's really good.
As good as you can on this parking lot.
Yeah. This is awesome. I did a little like Euro hop over the pallet from the ground out there. Yeah. Roll the knobbies on the tires.
Dude, she's still got the teats on her. A lot of you guys have been asking for these kits, so head over to bbcbigwheels.com. I'm gonna put a link in the description and check out our big wheel kit. If you guys like it, let me know. He's having too much fun. Way too much fun. We're gonna take this thing out on the trails this weekend, and we gotta get it buttoned up first. Gotta get the rear caliper on, get it bled. I don't know why we do this, but we get too excited, we ride them with half the brakes, it's fine. So we'll see you guys in the next video. We're gonna get this thing buttoned up for the weekend and take it out on some trails. See you guys soon. Another squirrel trap? I think it is. Yeah, it is. Dude,
Nice.
Get rid of the squirrelies. Anybody got a video of that squirrel? He's been bugging us for a couple days now.
I have a video of us taking one of the squirrels out.
There you go.
We can insert that if you want to.
Yeah. So, same as the trike kit, guys. Billet triple clamps. Got all the little accessories so you can run your key switch and your stock lights, and again, disc brake conversion because we don't want drum brakes.
Yeah, I'm a big fan of drums.
So we did dampening rods from BBR with the heavy springs. It just gets the bike sitting right for anybody that's an adult rider. Definitely got to have that.
BBR rear spring too.
Yep, BBR rear spring. You can kind of see how we got it sitting right now. Dude, honestly, just that extra height. So stay sitting on it. That's about how much higher it is now with the kit. I think she's mint, man. Got some scuffs from the last time Alex lawn darted it.
I mean, Drew fell off of the car, so.
Billet front hub. This bike's been it's been road. Been having fun with it. That's the whole plan, though. Oh. Rear caliper's not on yet. We're finishing the brake pedal.
We got excited.
We always get excited and finish the bike halfway and ride it, but it's fine.
At least the swing arm's fully tacked this time.
Yes, fully welded. Let's check out these robot welds that Drew did on here. Got some TIG welding going on here. Not an aluminum swing arm. Got the billet axle blocks right here. We upgraded to a 520 chain with an offset front sprocket. We've got a bearing on the outside actually carrying that sprocket. I'll insert some clips of how that looks. This is a prototype rear sprocket adapter. We're going to be making that out of billet. And it's not too bad. We're going to space the can over a little bit just to get the clearance. Pretty sick. Well, we don't really have much else to say today other than Big Wheel kits are here. So head over to bbcbigwheels.com. I'm going to get this on the website. These things are ready to order. We're just finishing kits up. We got a bunch of material coming in the next couple days. We're going to be running a bunch of these. So you guys have been asking for it and they're here. We're pumped. Yeah, rip her back, man.
Next.
A little bonus footage. So we have a pest in the shop.
Yes.
He's living, I think, under your bench.
Yeah.
What do we got here? I don't even know how this works. Okay. So where does he enter?
Right here.
Oh, he just pushes it in, it flips.
It's the second you push this in, because there's this bing bong, bing bong, bing bong.
Okay. Nice. Let's catch him tonight.
Do you have any peanuts? Go ahead.
Welcome back.
Welcome back.